I really love working for Xolar. It's a great company, like big company, which always take care about us and their customers. Yeah, and I love being part of renewable energy. Makes me feel really helpful for the whole community that every day we install more and more solar in Canada. And I hope one day each house gonna have solar on their roof. We always wear the harnesses and ropes. We just attach it to the, either we install anchors on the roof, which is like has shingles, because it's easily to be removed and patched or sealed. But on the roofs, like metal roofs like that, we just usually attach it to either like anchors which left by the roofers, or we just attach it to the rail. Yeah, and we always following the safety procedures. Yeah, it usually doesn't require any maintenance for the first like 30 years. For this first 30 years, you don't really need to maintain them. Easily solvable, because we have a great experience, like we've been working a while in this industry, and we can easily get it fixed. That's the things we are proud about. But once I'm gonna get my house, I'll definitely get my solar system installed with this great team which I met with Xolar. Just looking forward to do that, definitely. The only thing I noticed that we got like bigger size panels at the moment. We got better equipment, like in case of racking and stuff, it became much more easier to be installed. And the rest is pretty much the same. And they're really trustable. They have a big experience in the industry. That's why people trust us as well, because we work for them, and yeah, that's the reason. But yeah, for the past 3 years, like 2 years we worked for them, nothing happened. And we had no issues, no leakages, nothing. I'm just looking forward to see what impact we've done in the community in a few years, like walking by on the street and realizing how many houses we have done, how much solar we installed, and how much money we help people to save on their energy costs.